Hi, I am Aditya Sinha, a student from the School of Computer Applications at LPU, and I am thrilled to share my placement success with Federal Bank, where I secured a package of 12.32 lakhs per annum. LPU's idea of EduRevolution truly resonates with me as I experience dynamic learning environment where practical, hands-on exposure isn't just encouraged, it is integrated onto every course. I participated in real-world projects, engaging in live case studies and interactive sessions that actually prepared me for the industry. The state-of-the-art labs and innovative teaching methods gave me the confidence to tackle complex challenges head-on. The placement support at LPU has been phenomenal. The dedicated team organized mock sessions, industry-specific workshops, and networking sessions that helped me refine my skills and connect with top recruiters. It wasn't just about landing a job, it was about building a career with a strong foundation. And I'm proud to say that Federal Bank recognized my potential. Every moment at LPU, the campus experiences, the vibrant student community, and the hands-on learning has shaped my professional journey. Thank you, LPU, for being the catalyst in my journey towards success, and I can't wait to see what the future holds in for all of us.